Sa house now?
Yeah.
Yes. Family?
A family.
Kaya naman.
Yeah,
Nangita ko mga kuan doon sa mga I got hired,
Okay.
boy. I got hired, boss.
Nice. Mo
nakita
separate kag
ba?
house?
Let's go, boy!
Good.
Mo separate
Pwede.
kag house.
Makapalit na og computer ni Keanu. Let's go.
I sell it
Yan.
to you for 20.
Yeah, wag na
only.
ka bargain, no?
PC
Ako
only.
ako pa na ipunan pa din installment 7,000 per month,
No.
3 months. Gina 21,000 bitaw mo. 7,000
Ipunin
per
na
month.
lang na. Ayaw,
I don't give a shit about 21k.
Gina yan. Installment ra ba?
No.
At sige lang, ipunan na lang na akong 20k. Eh.
The hard no.
Set up sa og converge sa imo place.
dugay
Ay
ka
wifi.
na.
Mangita sa deka og area.
Yeah, mangita kuan first nga kuan option mangitag area kung wala di mag-rent og motor.
Oh
Gikan
my.
obrero pa ng
What?
mga kadadlan.
Layuan na, uy. Mag-traffic pa dyan sa mga dapit. Padulong matina. Oh shit, bro.
That is true.
Yeah, pa yun na traffic yun.
Sabi ko naman
Yeah. Grabe ang traffic.
Yeah, pa yun na traffic
Legit.
in the area kay Quad.
Lagi ang
Freaking
paningking.
it gets stuck up as an hour all the time.
The
Yeah,
pocket
yeah.
crossing.
Yeah. Sa...
Tod mo sa kanang boarding house nice magtunga na lang me.
Yeah,
Kondo,
ang na lang mo
kondo.
ni Ice.
Mahal ka ito, boy. Ayaw, kondo to ang gisayan ni Ice.
True.
Kuno tong gusto.
Yeah,
That mother.
true.
May connection
kasi
siya
naman-
pag good nga. Gihangin nila for ana lang ang price.
Tamaa ka? Kamar 4 na lang ka puyo. Barato pa. Indian lang yung mga kauban.
Kada bet?
Bot kayo ng pili ko eh.
Mar
Good
4 heights.
Merfore.
Mar 4
Merfore hat. Si mga Marvin din dito.
Binadit.
Yama, guys, nakita mi ni bro. Yawa, yawa ka pol.
Nasa bro dire?
Yeah,
Bigla ba
yeah.
yun eh?
Nagtrabaho.
Galit ako niya kakol niya. Uy, tapak.
Asa mo nakita, Zid? Sa ano?
Nulong ko HQ.
Ang nalagi siya koon. Ay, di ba ang
Dola-
HQ kaysa at niyo?
Tara, dola do. Oh,
Nalagi siya ado dapit. Kasi
gipahawaan na lang.
Ay, yari, uyab is from Ado. I forgot.
Palandri man to siya.
Ah.
Ikaw siya, di pa nakasibo niya na siya.
Ow.
Vibrate na si JD. Wala na to murag extra nga room siyan. Kasi na day murag spare room sa gawas na balay. Hindi ko madisturbo.
It's too expensive for you.
Kaya may boarding house diya. Good.
Join na lang doon ka sa mga kuwan. Boarding nga.
Narang UM diya skillit.
Group na gan.
Kagani, oo.
Awit ano naman di UM miro. Yoy Matina na no? Yan.
Yes. Ay,
Palit
Yung
na lang.
workplace is asa dapit po
Sa bypass road man na tawag. Ano dapita?
bypass
Sama
road.
Ito sa bypass road siya. At to sa crossing, pasaka, pagawa pa doon ng diversion.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Bahaon ba dira? Na may reklamo nga baha siyan.
It is.
Depende.
Depende.
Ondol ka sa kuan, suba.
Luckily, ang area namo dito is kanang dili mo makasaka ang tubig.
Napasaka di ay.
Ang amo is kanang musulod sa tawag ana nakalimutan ko sa name. Basta ka ng 7-Eleven sa Maa na musulod no naman na ay mga like daghan residential areas dira. Kanang mag-tricycle pa ka pasulod.
Okay.
Si tawag na subdivision.
Baha dire. Dool sa
Ah,
kuan, di sa rin may baha.
ang
Make
baha
sure-
is like ang start na area like it gets really deep.
Sa shell na crossing siya, pasulod.
Ano siya
Shell ba na?
sa kanang ano siya tawag sa stop ana nila motor pool ana dira
Sa
dapat.
motor pool.
Kaya mo sulod
Lagi, diha
dire.
lagi. Sa sulod partial and like crossing diha, padulong diversion ng isa ka pasulod sa division.
Kana.
The Y na crossing, marag Y.
Mamalim pa dito sa kuan din.
Oo, kana.
More for like,
Ah,
bisang asong theory. Pero ito kaon ng kadadlaw.
kung bypass ra ka, Marpori na lang ka. Eh, pwede ra di na makamabot sa crossing, di na makamabot sa traffic.
Nababot, pero lagi pa yung mga kuan dira, mga Indiano.
Kaya maka-receive yun like yung vlogs no?
Pwede ra man ka diya sa obrero. Kung di ra ka Marpori agi padulong sa kuan, trabahoan nimo. Pag motor ra gud,
Okay na, motor ba?
palit og motor.
Sabi to, kuan ka ng motor pool ng mo company so tagaan ako nila. Problema lang ako driver's license.
Ah, ang problema ay skill issue, yeah.
Atod sa
Yeah,
Leo.
oo. Walang
Skill
pool license para lang kill.
Atod ni Leo. Atod ni Leo.
Daw ka to pa ang problema, skill issue, parehara mo pa.
Ha?
Dapat
Wala ko
wala
kita
na driver's license.
So, yeah.
Uy, no! Una ako, pero dili mo ka
Oh,
ko.
kabaran, kumpara.
Ah,
That's
wala
not
na skill
Right.
issue. Ikaw kay na skill issue niya, wala pa yun. Ay, what is this bullshit?
Siyan, mahurot niyang chest siyan
Yes. What chest?
sa river.
Anong niyagi pangisdaan, dili. Di
Oh.
na pwede.
Yeah, it just stays there.
Kasi makuha na ko random shit.
Yes.
Yeah. Random shit, go. Level 26 na ako fishing. Yay.
Ay.
Almost there sa
Almost tier
Master.
6.
Alright, hawa na ko diri kay I'm bored so mobalis kog actual fishing spot.
Atod you would, Jid. You would.
Yeah, but I'm not able to fish there yet. Because that's tier 5.
Got you have a tier 4, you can fish tier 5.
What do you want about? I'm still journeymans, bro.
What the fuck?
Wala ba ako ilain gi-level but hide?
But hide.
Yes, but hide.
Why hide but?
I have to get to the thing. In the thing.
Pag ma-level o masters na ako fishing, wag busy ko ang isda na.
Day, if mapsan din ako si Paula sa fishing, believe na jud ko.
Paula is a PvP player. Paula's not a true gatherer.
Gathering sucks.
Paula's
offense,
one of
no
those
offense.
parasites. Paula's one of those parasites.
No offense. You stare at the water and that's it.
Di, Paula's a parasite. Have you heard?
By gathering, dili man lang water, yung mister na may lain. Gather sa black zone Paula, bi, tanawa. May kulba lagi tanan ni muli.
mura kag
Ikaw,
ilaga
Diwaga.
didto.
Do I wanna get that? Should I kill that? Or am I full? Am I getting greedy? Like, doon lagi ka.
Mura kag rat na nakitag food ta suddenly na ay human ni abot.
Human with like 2 swords or like 2 axes jumping in.
Ay, double-bladed pole.
Piliin ako yung ana fishing sa kuan tier 6. Pag na naka black zone, di ba kakalihok?
Yes, you can.
What are you all about?
Fishing there.
Lagi din muli ako XP. Stephen Payet.
Say it loud and proud.
Yun Nga sila. I just heard it from you. Oh, Stephen daw ba yun?
I don't even hear it. What are you all about?
You deaf motherfucker then.
Cancellation. Ay!
Eh.
Ang ubo ni mo ba, I felt as if tapad ta. Tungod sa kusog kayong volume. Ako nag-lower.
Ito Davao po mga July first week po ski po
Wala on these people.
Wala, fuckers.
Didn't realize.
Aman ta mga on.
Jid. Wala na si Stephen. Pasuya iragad to.
Kaya,
Naibigan.
naon ta. Pangabot na ako diya mga July. I'll also be there on October.
Wait, when are you leaving again, Ken? Like going outside the PH?
October.
October.
Going far away from this godforsaken country.
Ito ka bang drink?
Guys, kalimot ko ba? Ay tapad na og ganiha.
Aha.
Ay niya ang iya monitor kay gikaon niya.
What?
Like those types of movable arm naman tanan screen sa HQ. Iya gi-shove the pit sa iya daw. Nagdula siyang balot.
Wala, legit para lower input lag ba? Mas duol ang connection.
Iya ang mouse may na nasa likod sa screen. Iya keyboard siya. This man's dedication is so high. He was making out with the screen.
Damn. Valorant so bad na the highlights are not working for these people.
Kanya lilingin ko niya. Iya pagid gi kanaganing nag-off pa to siya. Gidumit. Gidumit niya zupin. Grabe na lagi like parang pure tunnel vision. Iya wala lagi kayo. Nagtanong ko niya. Wala ka position man.
Was he even winning?
I don't know, but he was not happy. I mean, he is playing Valorant, even if you are with.
Yung chest. Sa water.
Wala ako, dingon pa lang eh. Dili mahurot.
How do you drop an item?
I don't know too kay ma. Kaya,
Baka drop lagi uban tao.
Naman tayo, nata tayo option was sa controller.
Basta controller,
Oh,
kung PC yung sound.
I don't know.
How you not know what the fuck, man?
Kaya pag controller, nasa drop down ganin, right click or something na effect. Nasa options what to do with the item.
Yeah, makaon din yung isda. What? Chan, if you eat fish, you get fishing fame.
Really?
Really? Spotted trout. Increases your health regeneration outside of combat. 150% for 30 minutes. Gain 30 fishing fame. Let's see this shit. Let me
30
eat
fish
one of
ang
these.
PM.
And then eat one of the crab. Antay lagi ako yung makuha. What? Mukaot doon ko rin kaon, no? Instead of baligya para mo level ako fishing.
Di pa man sure kung i-take siya. Kalpa na ko.
Di may problema ng
plus
guide.
100, plus 80 gid. Wow, really? It does provide fishing fame.
Well, I guess we catch and eat.
I guess we eat our catch now. Ay, di mga worthless na catch. Kaonan ko na.
Bro! Fuck.
Di na siya mo-rip, Jid.
Kaya siya.
What is not working?
Mag-search
Patong
po ko
chest.
sa kon.
You mean I'm fishing a chest right now?
Ako, kay stop ra ko kadali. Then di na din siya. Wait, I'm gonna check.
What are you on about?
Hindi ko kayo nakuha.
Limpyo pa. Limpyo pa ko.
Yeah.
Who is Jid talking?
Yeah, tapad.
Yawa ba mo ba?
Oh,
Patay! Basta sabak kay diri. Hello?
I am here.
Hello.
Oh, 50
Sorry.
fishing.
I was hearing you guys nag
Ang crab po kay 50. 100 ang tier 5 na crab.
100 pesos.
So I have to eat
Same.
all of my fish. Damn. To level up.
Ano na may ni climax dira, Jid.
Valorant. Pero
So, oh my god, Jet.
Surya daw, Luzbita. Wa man. BRB guys.
I had a dream. I went to visit my great grandmother. Tapos out of nowhere na si Isol CJR.
Di mo sila man usually mo visit sa imo.
Back in the day, yeah.
I think si Ice too.
Yung ano ta. Bike sa pool. Tapos dengue dahil ko next day.
Ay! Oh, di ba? Kuan man to siya, kami to nila JD o Jeep.
Kamo na Jid.
Yeah, I still remember. Kami dead frog
Ay.
before.
May gani ako ray giding di ato.
Don't know, that was so weird.
You should have infected them all fucking mosquito.
I did spread my chicken pox.
Oh yeah. When was that again? I think I was a victim.
Grade 5.
Ah yes. We were all chicken poxed in grade 5.
Si Jude ug si Seth ni literally ni adto sa balay and went suspiciously touching my leg. Kaya I was showing them pictures of cryptids sa computer. Tapos I was explaining to them na kumusta ano man sila na kumusta naman siya na ano ko na wala lang chill lang tapos ano cattle but you know chill lang man. Tapos marag nasuya din sila, tapos they started touching my leg.
Idiots. Now
Yeah.
everyone in the classroom got infected.
That sounded out of context. That would sound so gay. I won't lie.
Yowie.
Ni smile si Seth ato, tapos he was like caressing my leg.
That's definitely gay, man.
He wanted a week off of school.
Ano man ang chicken
Sean
pox?
wanted his leg touch, so yeah, win-win, I guess.
Yama ka nun.
That was so unexpected.
Wala na lagi messenger.com, ano ron eh. Wala lang. Kalimutan ko, password ako na lang. Uy.
Ako, bear.
Kimamay nga na po, Jid.
Gabby did you get compared to her mom?
My
But
God.
it's
You
true, she
forgetful
forgot
old
her credentials.
motherfucker.
No.
Fuck you, Paulo.
You old motherfucker, dude. You fucking idiot.
Mama Porteliano.
Yawa ka yan.
You goddamn bitch.
Mama Bebita. Yes,
Yeah, damn right.
Tena si Paula. Lace.
Oh, God, sila tawag sa akin. Bro.
Oy, lace, you bitch.
Lace na si Sean.
Liz, na sila, Jedi.
Na sila JD.
Ow. Why you hitting me?
Never na sila po mo tawag sa ako og Paul. Like Lace, Jude. Either Lace or
Pao.
Paula.
Paula!
Ano? Paula!
Paula, pagtanid niya! Paula!
Ikaw na diri ah!
Paula, eat, you fucking skinny ass bitch. Eat your food. Why are you not eating? Why are you running?
Where are you running?
I know what Luke calls you, Paula.
Oh, what?
Nothing, cause he's too ashamed of you.
I don't know if I realize it. Ay, pero nag-aater ako di yung tito.
Oh, atera.
Po kay Ming.
Ming,
Oh, Ming.
Ate, uy.
Ming, you fucking cat.
Oh yeah, bitaw. Diba friends man na siya sa imong sister ko siya o sa cousin or brother ni Stephen? Forgot.
Cousin.
Aware mo di siya nga ang cousin ni Stephen natulusto sa imong sister?
Hmm.
I get it,
Dugay
check.
naman na.
Yeah. Ay, wait,
Yeah.
what? Legit? Oh. Legit. Uy,
Tapos na-crush man daw siya kang
I found you.
Jassy yata.
What? Found me?
Na, see? Hello. What
What
is
the
your
fuck?
name?
You're not here, you fucking bitch.
No, I'm
fishing.
here. See? I was
Not,
imong
no one's literally here.
No, I was imong front. Sa imong front na yung name. See?
No, I don't. There's no one here.
See?
Noon sa naman guys, nakita niyo.
I found Keanu.
I only found Ana Sisi.
Oh wait, I'll go there. See? I found my treasure chest. See?
No one's near me, bro.
Wait, what?
You fucking delirious.
Look.
Fucking schizophrenic motherfucker.
No, legit, I saw your name sa taas. What the
Oh
fuck?
wow. So all niggers are mediocre.
No, legit, like,
Oh.
Nigerian ang nakabutang.
Good. Generalizing racist. motherfucker.
Nakaka-Spindlewood.
No, I am it. Eh? Hog. Tapad sa Yuwood. I
Tapad
can't
sa
pronounce this
iyo.
shit.
You're in the red zone.
No, the one beside it.
Hornbeam.
Hornbeam Wood.
Yo, I'm schizophrenic now. Legit, I saw your name sa taas. What the fuck?
Wala schizo siyan. Can you fucking put
Yeah.
her down?
Ali Paula.
Oh
I'll let
no.
Luke do it. I think dugay na siya ganahan
Do what?
to
Kill
put
you
you
for
down.
liking his
What the
best friend.
fuck? Break
Kill
ako.
you for liking his best friend.
Best friend. See? Oh.
Dili ka One-chan. Ano ka? Oni-chan.
Oni, no chan.
Oni.
Oni.
Oni na lang,
Demon.
Oni.
God fucking damn it. I have to catch a lot of fish.
Ano ka, Paula? Ay, puyukay-yukay.
What's that? Kasi meaning anak.
Oh my god.
Uyukai.
Puyukay this.
Puyukay-yukay.
Uyukai yokai the weird demon.
Yeah, what does it mean? Huh? Huh? What does what it mean?
Weird demon. Or
No. No.
what is it?
Adapt storm of inside.
Hindi pa ganun direct translation sa puyukay. Something
Disappointing.
disappointing na ano na spirit shit.
Di ba
You
munang
disappointing yokai.
ingon atong girl na short haired sa ganito nga anime. Ngayon siya
Yes,
uyukai.
every fucking anime, yes.
Ay, Beyond the Boundary. Ay, kana nga ano. That short
Yeah.
haired girl.
Yokai no Kanata.
Yeah, that one.
Underrated anime, really good.
Katojin. Katong Beyond the Boundary.
Yokai no
Is that
Kanata.
Yes,
underrated?
bro. Underrated.
I think
Yes.
Kamera,
so.
barely, no one barely knows it.
It's old, that's why it's barely known.
True. But it's
Kami,
really
sayang kayo.
It's not underrated, it's
Naglagot,
forgotten.
naglagot po ko, Ken, kay season 2.
well, di ba na ay kuha na itabo? Arsons.
Well, it really didn't need a season 2.
Nah, bro, nah.
Is Ice I'm talking to you?
Yes.
You watch Boku no wa Minaka wa Social.
Yes. Why does the
You're a man of culture, I see.
yes?
Yeah, siya, I think.
I know the title.
Oh,
Best
never
anime
mind.
girl.
Yun sa pala?
I think
Wala, oy,
I for.
Naruto ang best anime girl.
Oh my god, Jade is a simp.
Oh. Sa gaya ng anime.
Naruto.
Stop watching TikTok, dude.
What do you mean? I watched,
Jade is a simp.
tanaw ko na long before TikTok. What you said.
Yeah, okay, buddy. Sure.
Katong kuan sa katong anime nga yung inyong storya with JD katong kuan siya nga dude. Naka-glasses unya iya gina-try og reach ang girl, blue-haired girl.
Blue-haired girl?
Oo.
Weird.
Blue-haired ba? I think blue-haired
Unsa
to.
man?
Nya prodigy to nga girl. Magic.
What?
Ay, Wistoria.
Yeah, that one.
Historia.
Yes,
I read the
yes.
manga before the anime came
Oh
out.
no, I found you. See, I told you. Yeah, tama.
No. You're seeing
I knew it. I'm not schizophrenic. Yeah, I could get it.
No. You're
I
lucky there's a
knew it.
green bear that's dead here. That's why you came near you. Fucking bitches. Fuck off me.
Anak siya. Kung hindi ay napako sa part ano siya nga itong na sila sa maze ba to?
Maze?
Oo. think may
Ayun,
Fucking
season 1 or 2?
think ay no na di season 2. Yo, it was so
Hmm.
ganda eh. Get away, this is my spot. Shoo! Ay, chest.
Why are you green?
I'm still green. Ay, saging.
Guild.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a guild. You gotta, dude. The fuck?
Suya siya guild. Poor fuck.
Yeah, I.
Yes, very nice. I received logs.
Kuha siya, nakaisa. You notice? Naga-cook siya.
Nagi
Pero,
no Asakura.
so dili
Oh,
yung
peak
English, na.
romance.
Peak, peak. Very good, very good. You know those old, really good ones. Those
Hmm.
ones. Yeah, really good. Yes, yes.
Sa totoo lang, sa na anime.
Guys, if gusto mong best girl, girl sa erase.
Ano?
Bro, leave her alone. She has a family.
Fuck her. Piece of shit didn't wait. Hawa ka pag namatay siya, ayaw. Dagot ikwato siya.
I remember. It was thunder all over again, Jid.
Fucking shit, man. Imagine pag mata niya, ang friend niya ang nag-iyot sa girl na iya gising.
Bokodachi. Ah,
Vegetable man siya.
Machi. Yeah, vegetable na tuhog mga ito.
Koma raman to. Sort of fucking whore.
We named him after you.
Yaw, gusto
Bro.
kasi invite pag mata niya. I was like, son of a bitch, I wish they died.
We named him after you, Jid. At least ang yan nakuha kay high school girl. Certified pedophile.
Sa to na anime pala, you wanted to, ano?
So, cooking. I don't know if you know. Pero, popular man daw siya. Cook. Main character kay
Oh,
yeah, cooking. Pero na siya sa,
Cooking?
gi-reincarnate siya, unya, cooking iyang specialty. Pero nag-slay siya, monsters. Niya gina-cook niya. Pero, ang pag-style sa
Oh,
cooking kay modern, ay
yes,
Japanese.
that's called campfire cooking in
Oh yeah,
another
that one.
world. It's not a girl. That's a different
Ay,
one. You fucking bitch.
it's a dude. Kalimot ko sa
Oh,
name.
dude, yeah. Campfire cooking in
Oh yeah,
another
that
world
one.
then. What do you mean? It's a good watch though, but it's not the we're talking about romance anime here, you piece of
Oh, I thought popular nga anime.
pinaka shit you ever is Clannad yun ba yun? Nothing beats what
Yes.
fucking happened after
Totoo
Clannad.
kitang klanan. But they
You
say it's
wow.
gone.
Wow. I am done, bro. Kill this bitch. It's like a new guild actually.
No. Pero ana si Manok nga, I should watch daw Clanad o kuan. Itong isa katong um sci-fi siya.
Loko no Pico. Ah,
No, nabi isa
what?
sci-fi siya niya, isa ka dude niya Gundam shit pero
Ah?
psychological to.
Evangelion?
Yeah, that one.
Neon Genesis?
Yeah, that one.
Hmm.
Yung siya hype on, I was like,
It is
what?
pretty good.
Oh.
Ang remake na movie kay na dili naman depressed ang creator so he made it a bit more
A
hopeful.
bit more hopeful and enjoyable.
Mm.
Oh,
But the
depressing.
original
The
the
original one is
original
so
kay
fucking depressing, bro.
yeah kay
Oh,
depressed man pud siya so he wanted to express it.
What the fuck? Why did I get stone from the river? Logs I get. But how can I fish stone?
a peaceful vibe. Look at it. Yeah, night birds chirping.
You said it's boring. Go die, Paula.
After all the busy shit, I think this is worth it.
Go fucking die. May sa to mga old anime na grabe ka. O ka, Rainbow Days yan kita ka.
Yes.
Yes, very
Nijiro
good.
days.
Yes, Nijiro Days is good.
Here lagi no.
The fuck you mean?
Wait, let me search. Tama sa is that on Animax? So
Is it? Was it? I don't know.
forgot. May isa.
Oh, a green bear.
Nakaayo ecchi lately. Ano lang, tong slave na anime.
Oh, Moody familiar. Is this the Yaoi? I didn't. Never mind.
What the fuck? This is bullshit, Shan. Can you kill her?
Yeah, nag-recommend ba yan ni siya Yuri on Ice?
Yuri on Ice.
May gani nakita ko clip of it and it was extremely gay. Wala na ako ni-continue.
It's
Ay, pero
okay.
I will argue. Ang
Oh,
drama sa
see?
iyo.
Ayaw jid.
See?
Ayaw
Shut
jid.
up.
See?
Oh
We
my
got
God.
brainwashed by Yahweh. We're not inclined to talk to you.
It's not Yahweh, it's boys love.
Oh my
See?
God.
Oh my
See?
Jid.
I told you.
I'm
I
sorry.
hear I hear Paula
It's
talking.
a
What
good
the
drama
fuck?
or anime, it's good.
Why
See?
why
Balag
See?
are
view,
Oh
there
my
balag
two
God.
Paulas talking,
Oh
Shan?
Oh
my
my
god.
God.
Bay, kana magsulya na si Paula og si Carlos sa una about like BL nga manga.
I swear.
Makabalo may ko kay mabasa pod ko.
I swear.
Oh my
Carlo is my best
God.
friend when it comes to that. Gani siya, kuan na siya lista with it and I read it all.
Nag-share ko na siya sa ko sa una.
Kanya puro
Iba
manga.
ta na kaani.
Yo,
Oo,
what the
kana
fuck?
una ko basta na ko ana na kayo.
Dili lang manga jid na siya manhwa. Yo, the manhwa is more spicy than manga.
Ay okay,
Well, yeah,
very
it's color.
sexual
Shady
oriented
Lex
man.
Manwang.
Ay, mangga na ko basahon. Mangga na ko basahon. I'm not gonna watch porn.
You like manwa bitaw?
Yeah, but like when it comes to boys love, di ako taman.
Yeah, mara man ako gingon you like manwa.
Oh, JD,
Yeah.
guilty. Ooh.
I don't watch dicks, I think.
But you've
Tanaw
seen,
sa
Same.
ko kanang tanaw ko na mabasa ko ng lesbo nga ko nga mangga.
Yeah,
what
that
Gabi
is
kind?
mo sila ka
acceptable.
gabi mo ka sweet ang romance. Bay,
Yeah, okay, buddy.
hey,
Do
good
you want
romance.
fluff? Do you want fluff? I will give you fluff. Kani Jid. Nindot ni siya Jid. Promise Jid. I swear. Legit. For real, for real.
Wala pa ko gabasa og mga romance so far. Di pa ko wala pa ko nagsugod balik ana.
Kani Jid.
Wala na mati ay.
Wala na Jid, you are on her side now.
I only hear two Paulas talking.
Whoa, that's such a nice mount. Get away, this is my spot.
Oh fuck. That's a nice mouth.
Grabe
Did you
ka
say
sus.
Mount,
mouth?
Yeah.
mount.
Mount,
I
you
said
dumb.
mount.
Nah,
I said mount.
I was saying weird shit right now.
Oh my god. Two
Kani Jid, kani.
Paulas. Our guild's worst nightmare.
Hey,
Yaoi?
They're multiplying.
Yaoi? Yaoi?
Uh,
Do you like
nilibog ko sa...
Ay,
What's that?
Kuya Kobayashi. Do you like
Ay,
Kobayashi?
I like fucking... I love Kobayashi,
So
bro.
you like this one, right? Do you like this one too?
Naman.
Kobayashi is okay.
May Kobayashi. Hey,
Yata
shout
ba sin
out.
CJ Dragon shit na ha?
Yawa, dili ko matanawa na yawa.
Dili ba?
DJ
No.
Dragon.
Lahi. No, just one.
Remember ko, weird kay mga scandal ni CJ sa una. Sa
Yeah.
atong magician nga naghubot sa stage. And I'm like, maot pag kayo siya. Kaya ko like, what the
Dragon
fuck?
Scandal.
CJ is a dragon.
Just siya likes reptile. He goons on reptile.
Kanijid. Since you said you like that one, can see, fluffy, right? Fluffy, very
Pila ko,
fluffy.
baka ko na, onya, there's like dicks there.
No. Promise it. I swear. Trust me.
I swear there's no dicks.
Gabi ka, baka ko kayo paminawon mo. I swear. I swear. Yeah,
I swear.
doon ka na ko ba like, this girl, it's so suspicious, man.
Did you see it? See?
Ito pa ito, mga old anime. And you name a fusion. I've watched a lot of it.
Planad.
Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah,
watch that.
Planad's a classic, man. Planad
Like-
breaks your soul.
Planad kills you, man.
Solo.
Katong iya, so yung anak na si Yawa.
No, di ko mamuinom.
And
You don't even know what we're talking about. Shut up.
that's true. You watch season 1 first, so you get, oh, nice.
You love the record, no?
Then when season 2 it's like, oh, nice, kill me.
Yawa may... Yeah, happy. Bangga na yung sakyanan niya. Yawa, imo
Pero
heart ba
Planad is
kanalipay?
based on a game.
Really?
Mm.
It's based on a game. Then katong mga girls kay mga routes. Ang
There's-
na canon route na noon si Kwan, the short-haired girl.
Yeah. There's
Yeah.
even other endings with special
Yeah.
episodes.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Ay,
like,
napaisa,
six with the
napaisa.
twins.
Pero di siya
Kung
yaw.
sa ganitong... Wait, sa pala. Sa ganito ang kuan anime nga nasa lain-lain na mga girl nga panguyaban, na best friend, na senpai, na kuan, pero like every season kay lahi.
He wears glasses and ano siya.
Atong basically murag mo rewind ang time. And what if kanina gipili? Kanya mo na ang season.
Date Alive. Oh.
Pili yawa. Gugu.
I know one that is similar but dili mo. I don't know if mo
Oh.
rewind on time.
I
Dili
think,
mo
yeah,
rewind ang time siya kanang instead of kanang basically ang next season is what if mo day ni nga girl iya gipili. Ana gali ang
familiar
style.
na eh. A whole new world, God only knows.
Kana ako ma-think about. Pero lahi to siya, dili to siya kanang like iha choice. It's more like more sig objective gani na do this girl and then next na
Ay,
another
dili.
girl and then next another girl.
Lingaw man na kay kataonan man na. I remember that
No, it's not funny, Jade.
it
People
is
dying
though.
is not funny, Jade.
Bay, mas funny tong nasulat niya ang name sa kuan angel ba to or goddess nga Cupid person.
Amot to siya. Forgot.
And can you name?
Kuan lagi katong an anime people hate kay tungod ang main female protag kay sige change every season.
I don't know. Search it up.
Dili continuous ang season sa previous season. Basically murag let's say karon na season, karon na kani nga girl ang kuan nga option or kani nga girl iya giduol to get close by. And basically pag mahuman na unya like mo reach na ilo conclusion ang next season kay reset balik unya what if ang iya giduol na girl is kani di ay ana gani
I know of one but dili siya per season. It's like
episode ba
every
to?
first episode. And
I think kay ka-remember ko, kay perfect girl nga, yung ipakuyaban niya, na friends lang sila. Kaya siya best friend nga, after na ato nga, sunod ato nga girl, kay na po, best friend na po di akuan. But, mas,
I remember one like that.
nga na, di ba? Ka-remember ko, everyone hated it. Remember yun ko. Ito would change ang female protag.
Ano siya, 4 girls in or 3 girls in one season. Change. Masyag na reset point
Sa
pag
episode, no?
ma-conclude na ila ano.
Pag-conclude ng
ano.
story, di na mo change.
Mm.
Kung ito, ka-remember yun ko, na, like, hell? Sa pa nga. Sa pa
Dora daw siya.
Ay, ay.
Koridora.
Na-ispag na.
Fruits basket.
Oh!
Ano ba? Wala kay ko kasabutan. Wala ko kasabot
Giri,
sa
remake
basket.
ka na.
I-remake and
Yeah.
it's still shit. Oh, never mind.
Oops. Sorry, Paula.
Wala ko ni,
But it's
wala kasabot sa fruit
Kaya lang.
basket. Kung sa'yo na hinahitabo, can you
Sorry,
spoil me?
Paula.
Don't
But
I
think
don't
so,
know, there's a basket and some fruits.
Yeah,
motherfucker.
it's in the title, JD, bitch.
Unsa ko tong kuan katong manga or anime nga ila friend kay patay na unya nag hide and seek sila.
Ano hana?
Yeah.
Yeah, wala pa ko katanawan.
Wow. Just wow.
I saw it. It was painful sa reels, so I was like, nope.
Nag-recommend ko
like
romance
Kimitsu
can.
Natsu no Owari Shono Uyume Okinawa Ibuo Wasurunai.
What what
Who
did
is
you
that?
say?
Fucking people who did not watch do not relate yan.
No, what is that?
Drapan mo kung full name mo iya.
Recommend na W Romance ka Paula Ken.
So, but,
What is it?
Grand Blue.
Ay!
oh, I
Ako
recommend
plan.
that to you. It's nice. It's
Ako plan
nice.
Yan.
i-watch. Nice daw, ano si Sean.
Yan, Shan
Ay,
hates
hearted.
Horimiya yan.
Oh, you like
Ah,
Horimiya?
Ends. It becomes
I've read the manga, pero after makuha nila na
Yab na sila.
relationship, it becomes a slice of life.
Life of life.
yeah, I did
Wala,
not
di ka
come
natin
here for this shit.
It becomes a slice of life about friendship. Yeah, fuck friendship, bro.
Mas ano na noon ang romance sa other pair kaysa sa main pair.
Mas na-highlight bitaw.
May pag magtanong mag skit dance, mas gwapo pag
Ooh,
story.
nice bitulo.
Nakalimot na ko, ana, bay.
Si-
Sige, plot, ana. I fucking forgot. I finished that
Three
shit.
friends.
There's no plot dito.
Oh, tulo ka friends na sila. Katong, siya nga.
Club.
Bukatsu.
So pag ganitong ano kyan,
Muras katong, ang sa
I
tong
forgot the title. Tong si Hachiman.
Ay!
Hachiman.
Katong duha ka girl sa isa kay ang the short-haired one lost.
Yep.
At yawa ba yawa gito?
That's good also.
Pretty good. Naglibog ko kung matawag na ko to Harlem o Daily.
No,
Kay duha ra man sila.
It's the short-haired girl crying because she lost. Woohoo.
At least Daily is a typical childhood friend.
It's the hot teacher that looks like the winner girl.
Bitaw no? I always thought nga kuan sila ba ya karang unsay tawagan na relative.
Remember ko nag-recommend ko Doki Doki kay Jomari. So nagdala kog laptop tapos nagdula siya sa school.
Bay
Kalimot ko
yawa
sa tong ni
bakasyan.
Dool kita.
Yawa
Kalimot ko sa ni Dool ni ana dahil siya. Gusto mo na magdula Jom yun. Kaya mo na mag ano so start ka ng kanang normal na ano ba na,
Otome
na
game.
visual novel o
Grabe magud ka boring sa start ng Doki Doki pero like pag magduan na
Doki Literature Club.
atong kuan siya High School of the Dead ba to?
so,
Itong zombie na tarano niya,
Super
delusional
early.
siya. Yeah.
ay ano na re
Redid ba to?
Re-
relive
Relive,
something.
oo, yawa.
Mm.
Ito ba yun? Basta ko watch out to na mindfuck ko yan.
Real
Oh,
life.
they're all
Relive.
dead. Yeah.
Real life, Jid. Kita na ka real life.
I have seen that one as well.
So, di na mo.
You seen it, Chan?
Mm.
It's good, it's good, it's good.
Grabe
It's
yung to ka
another,
fucked up
it's
kay...
another, what's your name? What is your name?
Oh, na may wa.
Minamawa.
I am secretly or was a old dude.
Old dude. And the girl was also an old
Yes,
dude.
she was.
Ah, shit. Paula, watch real life. Real life is nice.
It's good? Is it good?
How have you not watched this, man? What the fuck? What the...
But I
Actually, hindi
swear,
na
I
tanaw
have
ko la.
no clue. Go on. Yeah, oh my God.
Fuck
Uh,
okay, I knew it, man. Kasi porno na ba? Yeah, yun.
No, 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 no. No, I watch mainstream Pampers, but like, I guess, does AOT count?
I hate
Or,
you.
wait lang. Wait, nakaisa. Chainsaw Man, does that count?
oh my god.
Or,
I
or,
hate you so much.
Demon Slayer, does that count?
Oh my, you're a fucking Eugene. I fucking hate you.
Oh my god.
Wait,
Man.
there's one more. I don't like JJK, but
Yeah, same.
I like, kaninong bagong anime ya? Ay, Freeland! Yeah, that one.
Yeah, free
Raiden's a,
registration.
Raiden's a classic. I've read it way before the anime came
Mm-hmm,
out.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Yep.
Frieren
He's got
feels like that time I reincarnated as a slime, but instead of fighting, it's more talking.
Ay, napajit,
Oh, you
napa.
haven't read
My
the
best
books.
of the best.
Sorry
Hyoka,
na good.
Hunter x Hunter,
Oh yeah, Hyuka. Yeah,
Full
no, yeah, to
Metal
sila pala.
Alchemist.
Naglagot kay ko na. Yeah,
Yokai is
Ang
a classic,
Hyoka.
pero wala
No,
yung season 2.
it
hindi
just
kay ko.
ends.
It just
Light
ends,
novel
man.
to.
If
Yeah.
maglibog ko, if are they gonna be together? Yeah, well, my dili.
No! Basic,
Just nothing.
I think they are, pero murag koan siya, Jid. Slowly, gani, slow burn. Like, super slow burn nga romance.
Bay, nahuman ang season. How long is the burn?
Nai koan, light novel, basa ni Luke. Kay ganahan pa siya sa
Ako yan,
anime.
mga boy.
No,
There's
ito ako.
nagkaroon
Nakoy
ako ng
anime
really
na
light novel.
giganahan gid mo to gid basa na akong light novel. Forgot the fucking thing though.
Ang third kay Full Metal Alchemist, Brotherhood. Yang second kay, oh wait, number one day kay Hunter x Hunter, Hyoka,
Eh,
so ganitong third, Haikyuu, and then Full Metal Alchemist, Brotherhood.
Bay,
Wait,
don't hate me ha, but I never watched Haikyuu. Although, matanaw ako reels nga
do you
lingaw.
like
Nag-away na
BLG?
sila.
Jade,
No,
Currently,
some
is it
bullshit.
Haikyuu?
W daw ang ano.
Haikyuu?
Manga
W
Jid.
Nice one ang Haikyuu.
they keep losing Jade, so that's it.
Yeah, permiti. Ito yung clip ka. Naka 1 point na sila niya. Grabe ka-hype ang mga tao. And I'm like, yawa mo ni. Ito mo ni.
Ang manga Jid mas hype kaysa sa anime.
Bay, that was sports anime done right, makaingon ko. Kay ma-feel yun nimo ang kuhan, like tension.
Yeah.
Dili pareha sa Blue Lock nga
Yeah.
mura
Yeah.
sila mga buang
Yuri
Power,
on Ice
power.
Day, Jid.
Gani Jid.
sensation.
Yuri on Ice Day.
Gani Jid.
Oh my god.
Ay, yan
Gani,
ka
gani.
mo tanong kay unta ko na siya.
Why?
I thought you said you did.
I thought you already watched.
What? No, clip.
Ah,
Watch
Pao,
clips.
Yahweh ang banana fish, Pao.
I know it's gay.
Legit?
Eh, bara, no? You nice.
Huh?
I don't know. I haven't seen it. But
That's-
they figure skating thingy.
You're
I just
still
figured it
here?
was gay.
Yeah, I'm
Dapat-
here. Paano mo ng
Why aren't you
porcupine?
moving?
No,
Why aren't you
And-
moving? You should move around.
endless siya,
No.
endless. I have a chest.
Nagunsa na is Paula.
Nara siya sa chest.
fishing.
Yan ka, nakatayo ka na ako siya kadto.
Asa na mo dapit?
Na
Spindlewood.
Spindlewood.
Oh.
Ganitong other anime. Ay, Frieren. Lagi Frieren. Face. We're still alive. Ay! Kuan! Sa ganito, katong girling nga na sa war. Unya, nag-type siya kahit wala yung arms.
Ay!
Ah,
Violet!
Violet.
Violet Evergarden.
Oh,
Violet.
Violet Evergarden. Wala kay ko kasabot aras first episode. I'm like, what the fuck?
It's
Oh my God.
confusing.
Yeah.
Pero buhi ra day ang kuan na buhi ra si Shosa.
Ang
Sige,
ipangita,
first.
yeah.
May ano rin na siya. Like,
Bay,
chill.
ang ako gusto ma-conclude ato no kay ano not kung ato is gusto ko ibutan niya ba nga
Kung
season
ka na,
niya.
nice po na.
May
Tanyas.
bago pa
Tanya,
dulong.
Tanya the Evil, yeah.
Ano the evil artistic kayo to ba? Grabe cliffhanger kay nabuhi pa ang babae. Ay, shit.
Oh yeah, bitaw
Fucking
no.
Nazis. Why you watch Nazis? You Nazi, you a Nazi.
Freaking, I like the trench gun detail.
Bay, ako
Na
ganahan ato
band.
was like the announcement na scene niya. Ay,
Yung
Sig
bata
Heil.
siya.
bata ang nag-announce ba? Katawa sila taron, katawa. Yawa kalit
Ito
sila,
na yun.
buto-buto. Grabe ka evil.
We declare war upon you. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my god.
Actually doing it. Yawa mo to, grabe ka evil ba yan? Pero di ba war crime man na using a child's voice? Pero technically, isn't it okay kay Anya is
It's
the captain
Hitler.
of
Tanya is
No.
Hitler, yes.
is yun ba? Unya, makatawa pa yun ko kay magampo ba? Unya, ma-piss off siya kay magampo pa siya. Yawa, may-
I-hate mo niyang God.
oh. Hindi kayo. Ay, grabe platform mo ang babae.
One, I forgot.
Level
Ay,
28 na.
okay.
Kapit na. Almost there.
Woohoo!
It leveled up three times in 1 hour.
Sabi lagi ni Kasabaw character every time makakuha fish.
Wahoo!
At you.
Sneezing. Allergic to fish.
Pila na mo level fishing, Paula?
31?
31?
Naunan pa ka ni Paula Ked sa wala. Yeah,
Tier 6 na ka?
No! No!
I don't believe you,
I
Paula.
don't know. How do you
How the
say-
fuck
Why-
are you 31?
why you lacking, bro? Ken, why you lacking?
Paula's lying.
No, I don't know where to look at the fishing.
Kasi
Ako-
percentage na ang 31.
Yeah, percentage. Yeah,
31%.
Yeah.
Bro. 31 to what level?
Baka ako.
Asa na makita
click on
ang
that.
level?
Click on the 31. Click
Aha.
on it. What? You'll see the level. Tulad sa the branch thing.
Muna ka ng kilid, no? Sa kanang na ay yellow bar.
Yes.
I am 1. Level 1.
Adept na ka, Paula? Blue fishing rod.
Basin ano na kanong ano specialist unsa may tawag.
Specialist na level 1 niya.
Pwede na yung specialist sa fishing rod.
Oo.
Ay, yeah, specialist.
Si other one sa taasa na, ang taasa na.
Oh. Kuan, level 3.
What?
Naroken.
Haven't you been fishing a while?
Ako kay I fish, then I skin, then I fish again.
That's what I've been doing and I'm in level 28.
Pag maapsan, yata ka, Paula, believe na yun ko nimo.
I don't know what this bitch is doing. Go to the black zone if you don't want to fucking gather.
Ako,
Ano man as Paula, sad when gathering, happy pag nasa Kipoy.
Okay,
Yeah,
na may MOBA ni
mo
Blackstone na.
gani, yeah, ay madlad kaayo. Alam mo si kapatay
Kipoy,
mo.
awas Kipoy, namatay. Awas Kipoy, namatay. Baka na
Yung
mamatay.
record ni Kipoy, there's so many deaths for the many meals.
Na, nag-location na gid.
Oh, lucky. Unta, heals ra ihatag sa kuha na tier 5 para dahil ako mo level. Kaya duwa ra ka level 5 na heals, 25% na dayon to level 29.
Woohoo!
Kung
Wait, tier 5
ma-master
na
mo
din
ang
niya
right.
fishing?
Ha? No?
Tier 5,
No, no.
pero wala lagi kuan node going to the bottom.
Yan, tingala
Oh my
ko.
god, Jade is not listening. You just explained this, by the way.
It's a
Wala bitaw
weapon,
ko.
Jid. It's a weapon. Diba? You said na it's like a weapon.
Yeah, but where is it?
It's on the same nodes. So start.
What?
10 is
Nasa.
expert, 30 is master, 60 is grandmaster.
The
Ah,
silence is
you're
loud.
still here.
Jid.
Nasa
Huh?
node. It's in the node.
The
Yeah,
brain is
I'm
getting
look. No,
brain.
no, I'm reading the thing.
Yeah, okay,
And
but
if I activate this,
Banana fish. Banana fish. Mutanaw pa kung Shutter Island. Can I watch Shutter Island first before I watch Kani- no? Mango?
why,
Like
why are you
mango.
asking permission?
Just
Kashan,
go watch
kashan.
Shutter Island.
Okay.
yeah,
You wanna
what?
watch together?
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, watch
Okay.
tonight.
Yo, I have perky,
Until
perky.
10 ka, right?
Oo. Awa, naka-hours.
Fine, tomorrow then.
Watch Wednesday. I off Wednesday afternoon.
Kuya, pwede Wednesday afternoon.
Shutter Island.
Caught you lacking island.
Isa, Fight Club daw. Si Lok, si Manok.
It's nice.
And also, my anime list be mga romance anime na tasog rating. Fucking hell.
Feel like I've seen most, but not the yaoi stuff.
Mga bago siguro
But
siya.
it's
Have you still been
good.
watching anime?
Oh, every season I watch I
I
try
watch
to watch all
something.
the romance.
I try to watch something, not all. Try to watch something a season.
Pag manga mo, daghanay sa manga Dex.
But manwa man ako basahon yun. Nya ka namang
Yeah.
isikay halos. Di naman kong romance.
Manga, daghanay. Romance.
May mga old na ako ano eh. Nagi no Sakura na gid pud ako ma-remember na nice gid.
Mm.
Siya no? Ano siya yung English, Ana? Is that like 5?
A lull in the sea.
Oh.
Halal in the sea.
Anal.
Oh, like what the fuck?
Anal.
Kuan
What?
ba? Kuan ba? Mizuno Kokyu Hachiju no kata.
Demon Slayer.
Ryuichi ni Patak Nagi.
Siya na ba ang pinaka-nice akong favorite nga character kyan? Si Giyu.
Sinsa.
Giyu.
Dagan ba yung ganahan ni
Parang sa-
Giyu?
Putol na kamot.
No offense ha, I hate Demon Slayer.
Oh, legit? Legit? Gonna
Grabe ka, sudden.
Out
I
of
hate
nowhere.
JK, I hate Demon Slayer. I
Yeah,
don't know
Si
yeah.
why.
Jakey, di ko
No
kuno.
offense, I hate Demon Slayer. Fuck you.
Fuck you, Demon Slayer. You didn't do nothing but fuck you.
See, I think ang community pissed me off so much that I hated the
Oh.
anime.
Wait, Paula, what did you do?
May isa gyud ni Paula, yawa ni Paula.
Ya omi.
I don't mind. I don't really give a shit about anything's community.
So you like,
You
can I
just
say
you just
this
turn off
game?
the
Just
community and enjoy the
I just
anime.
I don't fuck that community.
Oh, what pisses me off there is Demon Slayer is ang archetypes sa ilahang characters.
Like si Zenitsu.
Yeah, he's kind of
But
annoying.
he's good. He's good. I like Zenitsu.
Such a comic relief type
Yeah,
shit.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Siya
Type daw na ni
token
Paula, soft
guy.
boy.
Kunya, ganahan ni Paula si Giyu, the
Soft boy,
silent, awkward
soft boy
guy.
na na a little
Kabalo
bit
mo
of
communicate.
spice.
Oo. Kunya,
Okay,
ang
okay.
love interest sa silent, awkward guy kay namatay na yun sa kuan.
Si
Fucking...
Shinobu.
Is that why you like Aljun, Paula?
Si Shinobu na ba yung ganahan nato Paula? Yeah.
Why her? Out of
Si,
nowhere.
Shi- si Shinobu o kato ganing Sound Hashira. Nakalimut ko sa name.
Oh, wait. Si Sound. Muna katong
Atong dual sword user na naputlag kamot. Oo.
na scar sa iyang face.
Dili, dual sword user siya nga na chain. Niya naputol ya kamot.
Ay,
Fighting
okay.
the upper seven.
Katong blind dude.
No, what? No.
No, Paula.
Giyong
Oh my
River.
Yes,
god.
Fuck out.
he went blind. Yes, he went blind.
Bro, even they know. I think even Sean and Kiara know who I mean, bro.
Which one? Wait, I'm gonna search. Makalimutan
The
ko.
Sound Hashira, bro.
Entertainment.
Katong daghan kay. Oo. Kana, the district.
The harem, the three wives
The,
guy.
the three wife guy.
Oh, him. Why though? Why do you like him?
I like his I like the sound nga kuan.
Ah, SFX? Saiyan
No,
skill?
ganahan ko sa iyaha style. Sa in terms of sa iyaha sword style.
Abilities.
Snow White with the red hair daw siya.
Whoa, familiar.
Kagami na Kirayuki.
Yes.
Oh,
SFX
yeah,
kay
that's
kuan
also
naman
nice.
Is that the good looking prince or some shit?
Yeah, si
Yeah.
Zen.
Very shoujo.
Oh my god, you're still here.
Kanera ka naglakaw-lakaw dira ken.
Yeah, this is my fourth lap
Yeah.
around the map. Naglap na ko around kay that's how I get the fishing nodes. This bitch is still in the same node.
Bay parehara ta maglakaw-lakaw pud ko kay boring mag-stand lang dira sa treasure chest eh.
But it's peaceful. Oh, I can hear the birds. Mura man
You
katong
can
sa
hear
AOT.
you can hear the dead zombies just sa gilid.
Hey,
Like,
fuck. Hey Google, give me a list of all the romance animes.
Maid Sama.
Maid-sama is also good.
Nahuman
Fun.
yung manga yan?
Kaguya is nice.
Yeah.
Bay labo mo. Yeah, I buy yawa gid
Di ba mo man mo crush, Jin?
when you showed me that.
Di ba mo
What?
man mo crush? Katong
What?
pink-haired girly.
Oh, si Chika.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
He does
Nakoy
that,
ko notice, Jin. You like pink-haired women.
Yeah, Yunogasai, Chika,
Katong 02.
Naruto. Tama ka, bitaw. Yeah. Pero sa VTuber Paula, I don't like the pink-haired women.
Ew.
You not like the Scully have pink.
Yeah, Kali has pink hair.
Iron
Naman
Mouse has
Sally,
pink
but
hair.
I don't like. Yeah, Iron Mouse too, but eh.
But she appeared in Peak, so yes. That's how I knew her.
Si
Kay Baby
Chibi?
No Money.
Baby
Si Chibi
naman.
kay wala naman siya comic relief
Oh,
everywhere.
I like Chibi kay yeah model is like
It's
fucking
so
whack.
stupid. It's not being
Oo.
cute. So,
Oo.
funny. Katong nag-pick sila, gituklod siya ni Mas ba to? Nakalimot ko sa name sa guy.
Oh. Tapos rage bait siya ni na rage bait siya sa comment ni Markiplier.
Katawa ka na Chibi ba?
Chibi is nice.
Ken. This one. I think you like it. Gabi na siya ka-familiar. Popular sa manga today. Do you know this title? You're looking for romance, right?
I'm opening the
Why
Twitter
is there a
cover.
laugh?
Sabi nga, sketchy si Paula ba?
Yaoy na pud na.
No. It's good. Feel na ko kita sa siya nani.
Say title.
Firefly Wedding.
What? What's the
Okay,
name?
wedding.
May manga na siya. Firefly Wedding.
If I haven't heard of it, basin yaoi na.
No, it's not. Promise.
I
Promise.
haven't heard of it, so
Promise.
it's okay.
Grabe
Promise.
ka, unreal man.
Legit, I swear, I recommend good romance. Promise. Legit.
Nah.
Sketchy
Ay,
man
kani
ito
siya.
ka.
Ay, snafu dito siya.
Ay,
Snap.
ano ka na
Romantic snafu.
Bay, till now, malingaw yung pag chinibyo. If you know, you know.
Yeah, I love Maybe I love Delusions.
That's a classic,
I
bro.
like,
Yeah.
I like short-haired
Oh
girls.
yeah,
Short-haired girls for no reason.
Chunibyo.
Destiny
Cutie.
Rika, yan.
Short hair is life.
Nindot magod ang pag-animate o ang art. Yeah, ay, nice kayo.
Fine bitch tried to steal a bear. Nice
I
try.
won't lie though. I kind of rooted for the long-haired red hair girl.
I hate you so much, Jid. She deserves Yuri.
Bay,
The fuck?
she waited
It's
for
true.
him. She changed for him. Wala.
Wait, no, she didn't. What do you mean?
Yes, he did.
Katong red
He
hair?
changed for him.
Red hair?
It's a
Oo.
childhood friend. It's a childhood friend.
The
A
childhood
pink haired.
friend.
Ay, dili. Ay, abi na kong
It's
si
It's
Kuan.
pink haired, so JD likes
Yeah, day, sorry.
Ah.
JD likes
Tingnan
pink.
mo kung
JD
red
Bay,
hair.
she changed for him by
Ay,
even
hindi ako
though it
pasabot
was the
dyan.
worst change, pero like she tried.
JD. Boo-hoo. Who fucking cares?
Yawa ka. Adapt na ko, guys. Pasa to eh.
Good job, man.
Yung
Can you
bayaw
wait?
ko.
I'll give a
Kaya
picture
level ni mo pa wala.
Vivian.
Pasok ta kaya.
As
Si
stupid.
title anak Paula, yeah, this
Kani,
shit
kani,
is
kani.
sus, bro.
No, it's good. Firefly Wedding. Feel na ko ganahan pa si Keanu.
How the fuck do you know?
And
huh?
then another
By the way,
fucked up manga nga romance. Raisu what?
Komisan siya. You watch Komisan.
Oh, komisan. Yeah, that's nice.
Manga is also nice. Good. Pag announce anime, I was like, oh, fucking finally.
I like the manga bitaw. It's better.
The manga is way better. Komi-san can communicate this.
Non si Luke, he's so addicted with that.
Cause it's nice, Paula.
A man of
it is.
culture, unlike his sister.
Wait, isa din yun. Kuan, kadtong short-haired siya nga girl. Unya, long iya po. Unya, ang guy kay...
Oh, short-haired siya na girl, pero long yung buhok.
Ay,
Okay.
Shorty.
shorty!
One of the best sentences, bro. Even ako nag-loading.
Okay.
No, I mean, short type nga girl, but long hair. Unya, ang guy kay kuan, i-blonde niya yung hair, pero parang mailhan daw siya kapili. Dili
Yeah.
sa scary.
Yeah, I fucking
Yeah.
forgot the name. It's the one with
Blue
the
Blossom
Oh,
something.
Hana ko Aru. Sino ko something? Kana
Ay,
di ka-
yeah. No. Someone's son blossoms with the spring.
Yeah.
Can you tell me the plot?
Tell me,
Kay
right,
plot
that-
paguro na ako mabalaan.
Wholesome siya. Very wholesome.
Very nice and wholesome.
Yawa, mahal na lagi sa Fisherman Short Boots. Why is it 30K?
Get alive.
Naman.
Itong
Pag-
i-recommend na isa
Pag
pa.
suot mo,
Gani,
backpack.
gani.
Di ba ni worth ang backpack eh?
Paad siya. Kaning Call of the Night, gusto ko mo tanawan eh.
That is nice. I like it.
Yeah, I heard really nice things about it. So, I'm gonna watch it soon.
Pamilyar lagi ni Paula. Shoujo man siguro ni.
Asa ka ng Rice or ka
Kaning-
ng Firefly?
Oo.
Oh.
Kaning rice. Itong isa kay Firefly.
Wedding. Na isa ka panel diya nga, I think popular kaayo.
Di ba bago pa ni?
Kuan, dugay na na.
This is
Saan? 2020.
kaning Firefly
Oo.
na adugay na din eh.
Oo. Siguro, tungod kay na nibasa jud ko tong first chapter jud. Kuan siya, nag-start ko basa 2022. Yeah, karon pa siya ni end.
May anime karon, may trailer.
Oh, wait, what? Mag-anime na di
Oh,
siya?
bago pa ang anime. Trailer pa sila.
When ang release? I didn't know
I saw
that.
this sa
Yawa ken
trailer.
mahal na sa food ken uy.
What?
Mahal na yung food sa fishing yawa.
Ano ba?
Kayo kong hilak sa last chan, but
9K.
I hate it.
Ang Monogatari series siya, na-follow niyo.
Yawa
Yeah,
gihuman na ni
I
Sean.
stopped at a certain
Ay, wala man ni padayon.
They stopped to sa
taas
season
kayo.
3. Then bullshit po ang storytelling nila na. Kapoy kayo. Kapoy kayo Sabton.
Ni-stop ko atong
Di ba bitaw
gi-introduce tong karakter na
story.
i-introduce tong karakter na kanang ang iya-eyes kay Just Black.
Yeah.
Tong, basta
Made sama Dress Up
Kana-
Darling.
Oh my god, dress up darling.
Ay kay Sakura Soshan.
Oh my god, sakura to.
What the fuck?
Sakura
What the
Wamina,
fuck do you
Sakura
want?
So.
mm,
Paula is an uncultured swine.
But even I knew them. What the fuck, Paula?
I don't know what that is.
Nisikoy ra na mailan ni Paula eh.
Yeah.
This
But
girl's
yun
killing me.
Onodera should have won. Fuck you guys.
I like rooting for the losing girl.
Honestly, Onodera should have won.
What the fuck? No. Chitoge.
Shut the fuck up.
Chitoge is too
Ito guys, violent
Bubbly?
as fuck. Shut the fuck up.
she is too obvious na you know,
Main
first
character.
oh,
Oh.
main
I
character
felt
tsundere
it.
energy.
I felt it too. I was like, she's so annoying.
Pero isn't the main guy also
Shut
like
the
that?
fuck up. No. He liked Onodera. What do you mean?
Yeah, pero he's also afraid of
Si Onodera pag yun ang kuan.
Our actual girl.
The real girl.
By the way, Paula, did you know, para na ko, Chitoge felt like, ano say tawagan na? Ganing like, muna kay gikidnap po niyang ang imo gikidnap na in love sa imo nga.
Stockholm.
Murag Stockholm kay they were forced together to be together. And they spent so much time to the point that they actually fell in love.
isn't that
Oran, kaya ka
point?
naka-Oran High School Club siya.
Yes. There's kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a shoujo. It's nice though.
I
Very
didn't know
popular.
na nag-shoujo si Keanu. Usually guys don't like shoujo.
What?
Shoujo
Yeah,
is
they-
nice.
I just said
Wait,
it's a
what?
shoujo. I didn't say I don't like
Judgmental
shoujo.
yun ni si Paula no.
Di,
Mm.
I thought you should.
Even kita ko mga few villainous stuff, but not like all.
Nice
That's
ang
Ay,
too
villain.
obvious.
judgmental yun si Paula, yeah.
Di, I thought you guys
My
like
Little Monster
shonen, mga ano.
Okay,
Ay,
yeah.
Little Monster, bro! What the fuck? Yeah,
Those are the old good ones.
it's a good one. One of those
Real life food lagi legit is a classic.
real life.
I haven't seen that.
Golden time.
I
Yeah,
yeah,
haven't
Golden
seen
Time.
that.
Yeah,
Banry, fucking Banry, bro.
Banry fucking idiot.
by that guy. Oh my god! Stop! You're giving me flashbacks. Yawa.
Why does Banry keep forgetting everything?
Fucking idiot.
Naglagot na ko atong ganahan gyapon siya sa katong kita tong iya
A
crush.
short-haired girl, yeah, childhood friend na nakagusto ko
Oh.
niya and then,
And
which is
then-
bullshit.
Grabe ka. Labi na subago na to bayhana ba yawa. Yeah, he just ruins everything.
Yeah, get a life, bitch. Get your own dick.
Sakyan, kadikyan.
Kasi yan itong name ato nga girl. Kalimot mo ko ito. Sa girl na.
Lemot na ko. Basta kay rich girl.
Ay, kato crush to na ko Ken. Ganahan ko nga sila gimadayon na to.
Yes, same. Very good.
Kumpara
Everyone
sa
against the childhood friend, man. Mora yun na romance anime na against ang childhood friend. Everyone was
Oh.
against the childhood friend.
I fucking hate her, man.
Fuck you, bitch. Get a life. You ruined mine. Why are you back?
Katong nasad ko ang katong yellow head girl katong
Yeah, nalipan siya.
bulag to sila pinalimtan niya. Wag ito bay sakit kay to sugat.
Ay, kanikin, do you like kanang, ay, di man yung kanang anong slice of life. I don't know if slice of life would be
If,
the
as long as may romance.
yeah,
Okay.
it is. Pero ano siya nga
Sa title.
pagka-romance siya, kanang, tawag na, dili gani directly. Pero I think you've known this title gani. Veil. Do you know Veil?
Prison school. Oh.
Yeah, putang ina.
Oh my god.
By I don't see romance sa prison school. I just see like clusterfuck of what the fuck is going on.
One of the best what the fuck moment. Mura siya Grand Blue but bitch
I
here.
promise. Don't
Okay.
sa Grand Blue.
I
Grand
haven't
Blue is
seen
really
this,
like,
Paula.
Parang no, Grand Blue is like friends trolling each other. Mura.
yeah. Ito kay the Seto Kai versus the fucking friends.
Yawa gitu. Yawa gitu ang prison school ba?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that was a bullshit.
Gani,
Favorite character is the
ano,
fat guy.
sample, a sample, lamay,
Asa mo napit yan?
Oh my god, it's my fifth lap. She's still here.
Amo, Spindle or Willow?
Tindel.
Can I fish there?
Can.
Paula, pag makita naka Grand Blue, tell me
Before na ko.
kinsay mo ano. Like naman say na options ang main guy for like
Okay,
girls,
okay,
just
okay,
a few, but let me know who.
Wait,
Okay,
Chad,
okay.
And let me if it's Kibako.
kinsay mo ganan, Chad?
Kisa.
Wala,
Kisa, fucking bitch. Kisa.
nakalimot na ko sa names, pero like,
Kisa Chan. The main short-haired
the
girl.
main, the
yeah,
main.
parehata, okay. Ang long-haired girl was like, eh,
Yeah,
Di ba
ate
tayo?
was...
di ba kayo interested ni ate sa iyang,
Oh,
Yeah. Chisa for
Kunya,
the win.
parang ako, Chisa has like a lot of scenes nga na ay murag weird tension between them. So it kind of fits.
Chisa is main girl
Ah,
energy, bro.
Watakoy Nation.
Yes, that's so good!
So what ako eh.
I love what ako eh. Kanindi ay, Kian, have you seen this? Tengoku Daimakyo. In heaven,
Yeah, familiar.
Tengoku
Familiar.
Here.
It's fucked up Daimakyo.
Ay, katong ano, tong like post-apocalypse na ano, na world. Tapos
Yeah.
nasa like gun na battery something. Yeah. Wala pa na ako
Good.
nahuman.
It's good.
Kung sa ganito,
Nation. I will remind you with a real good classic.
wait,
Kimi ni Todoke.
Oh
Guys,
yeah, yeah.
can you-
Oh,
can
that's
you
awesome.
recall
Fully old.
can you recall the zombie anime where kuan high school sila? Unya, ato'y scene nga, nitira siya sniper on top of like a boob
High School
girl.
of the Dead.
Kailangan ako sa kuha na to action. I won't lie. Kailangan ko sa action na to. The scene that made me watch it was the pagtira niya sniper kay nilikay ang head girl with a sword. Kaya yung boob just followed the bullet. It's just
Very
like, what the fuck?
impossible.
Very
But
impossible physics.
we take it.
Sabi ka, insane nga nitanaw ko. Also, I hated the childhood friend nga babae ato. I fucking hated her.
Ah, dapat na siya. Plastic memories.
Favorite na JD? Favorite na JD?
No, I hate that thing. That pissed me off so much. That's sad ko, ano. Yeah.
Kuhan po na the Magus Bride.
Oh yeah. Ganana na si Christine.
Yeah, it's really
Ah.
good. It's really, really good.
Paula, wala pa na kitag plastic memories, Paula. Ba?
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
See? See?
What
Bay, grabe ka depressing
Kani,
nga.
watch this. This is
Jade,
depressing.
Jade, fucking kill Paula,
Sengoku
Jade.
Daimakyo.
I will on my PvP. Paula's not in our party. You can actually kill her. I fuck
Ito,
her.
no.
Out of the party.
Kick her. Doon sa akin.
Yes, I'm on my way. I'm literally near her, by the way.
Doon sa akin.
No, please, please.
Huwag yung nilihok ang buwang ba? She's just there.
You're like fishing.
Fishy.
Ako, nagandam na ba akong kick yan? Ingon lang kung doon. Ay, kita mo ko sa map. Ay, narakit.
Ito pa man, be. Kani, Gekan Shoujo Nozaki-kun.
Ooh, that's also good.
Yes,
Katawanan.
yes, yes.
It's a rom-com.
Itong ano yan, itong tong Yamada and the ano.
Ah,
Ay,
yeah.
Yama!
Witches.
Yamada!
Yeah.
Yama King!
Yamada and the Seven Witches.
That is
Mm.
also good.
Ay, nabe, bago na Harlem siya. I don't know if you've watched it, pero basically, daughter siya, o niya, nahimosig nani ni na.
Yeah, I've seen that one.
Katong like, naay gwapo nga daughter, na ada yung
Ah.
tomboy.
And
Uh,
another
Ay,
anger
quintessential
another anger
triplets
romance.
siya.
yeah.
Auharu ride.
Anong anger?
Alright.
Yawa!
I haven't
Yawa!
seen Aoharu
Mystic
Ride.
again! Mystic again! You're giving me
Fucking
flashback.
mad motherfucker. Yan.
Misty, uy, yawa. Naglagot na ko atong na ni Joy na Lucky. Yawa, ito.
Freaking Kokun.
Misty, yun, uy. Naglagot ko atong na ni Kalitrag. Third party sa ilaha. Yawa.
Like, get a lane, bitch.
Oh, kaya mo kaya niundang kong tanaw for like pila ka days to dato. Yawa, yun. Naglagot ko ato. Yawa.
Also, sala po to sa bae na best friend ni Kwan. Kokun. See, there's a lot. I'm scrolling to the list of anime romances.
Ay, kani-san. Do you?
Masamune-kun no Revenge.
Yawa!
Ganun.
Yawa! Kaya,
Unsa pala?
remember na ko sa tanan.
Same.
Do you know this?
Oh, how did I not remember all of this, man? I used to like enjoy watching this. The entire thing. Yeah.
Masamune-kun's Revenge. Gikuan ba nila? Gihuman na ba nila?
Naglagot
Last
ba ako
year.
katong part na nga na fake
Last year,
masamuni ko.
niligihuman
Yeah,
sa
naglagot
new
yun
season.
ko ato.
Google call.
They
Sa
finished the thing.
romance. Pero ano siya?
Uh,
Bago-bago romance.
ang last na ko nakita ato Ken was like na fake. Ang
Ooh.
last na remember day kay na fake na kuan kay
Fake Masamune-kun.
yawa kay to.
Dugay na ni Paula.
Oh, kano sa ko nag-start? I think 2024
Do it, do it,
pa
do it.
nag-start.
Ha? Ay, okay,
Looks
wait.
nice.
Kaya lang Ken.
See? It's so good. I think it's the next shonen and fucked up anime. Yo!
He can go na Ken.
What is this?
Turn it
How
on
do I
Ken.
damage? Why is on? How do I damage her?
Can I just swing at her? Sabi to,
I
one
can't.
style.
Yay!
Fuck, dili pwede kay guild.
Ay, yawa. I-kick, ay, dili, dili.
Duel.
Si Paul.
Lucky pester.
Blub blub. One
Yawa
nice
na
sample.
rin.
I'll give sample shot.
Kaya bili ni Kafani na yung hostile niya.
Me, I'm the hostile.
Pantay Ken,
Ano
pag
yun?
itawalong data nagkuhan.
Criminals are unable to flag as friendly. Yeah, okay, buddy. I didn't kill anyone, bro. Chill
Kung
out.
saan man na para di ka ma-hostile.
You have to wait 15 minutes. God damn it.
Can you relog?
I'll follow you. Hey,
Eh.
buddy.
Eh,
It says I attacked the player even though I didn't.
I mean, you kind of tried.
Dati,
If I
Nako
go
sa
to reverse,
dungeon.
do I die?
No, I think okay lang
No.
ba?
Nako sa dungeon tapos this guy is healing the explosive barrel.
What the fuck?
So, dili na ko ma-destroy kay he keeps like putting shield and healing it.
He knows. The game is learning.
I don't wanna die.
Is it nice? I got it.
Hi, Paula.
What are you? This is my spot. This is my spot.
This is Albion Paula.
There is no mine in Albion. Sabi, kita makuha na.
Napadyan ko sa pinaka gamay.
Tama. Dili ma-PVP ang guildmaster. Some bullshit. Oh, a blue bear.
Wala makay fishing rod, Paula.
Na-cancel.
Ano, no, kanang
Nakita ko
level too low.
panel. Oo. Nakita ko
Sabi,
panel.
kaboring din po lang iya.
But it's peaceful. See? Birdie, birdie. Gaganang birdies.
May pag dito ako sa kuan da. Gabi man ka I'm losing time here, man.
Wala ba yung 45, 45.
Wow, nag-buff siya. Wala. Wow, this bitch.
Nalagi isa
Sponsor
ka
pork
cool.
pie.
Si Keanu wala.
Oh.
The one PvPer in the map is actually fishing.
Ay mo doon mo ba mga paklaw dyan mo hawa while you're fishing.
Why you do this? Yeah, dapat daw ang paula may isda para way manghilabot na ako.
But this is my spot.
Oh,
Yawa
Nakita
man
rin
yung
yung
ghost
chest?
boroy, bay.
Makita mo yung chest?
Yawa paspasa sa ghost boroy, maapsan ko, nagborpod ko. Fuck you, man. One day. Actually, makabay na ko nimo, but I don't wanna be broke.
How
Chili
much?
flakes.
2.9. Paspas kay ni Bor. Kunya maka-invis pa yun din. Yawa. Ay, nag-delivery na ni kay Kuan man. Bagra iya gidala.
Porcupine.
Willowwood na lang ko, guys. Yawa, dili man work diri magkuan. O, di na sa tier 6.
I don't know why she's fishing here too.
But
Sayang naman ang times nga kanang
peaceful.
makuan
Low
pa
tier,
lang.
no?
Oo, mahina kag low tier. Sayang ra kag oras.
Logs. 2 of them. Nice. Swap that.
Nice. W.
Sa Yuwood, ganay dito sa Yuwood. Unya na round.
Go tier 5, Paula. I think. Adapt pa man ka, no? Are you even adept? You're
I
adept, right?
don't
Level 3
know.
man ka, you're adept, bro.
Oh, okay.
Napsa na ako. Napsa yun ako siya siya.
Go tier 5 para wala kay warning low tier thingy.
Nakuha mang fishes. Nakuha lagi ako ng fishes.
Oh, you can. If you don't mind the low tier thingy, then okay.
Do I die if I
Okay,
go to Limhurst with this on?
I don't think so, right?
Probably not, right?
Ngita ko panel. Ano itong panel na i-recommend na ang mga tao? I think it's also harem.
Was it, nga may question ba, were you guys happy nga si Yotsuba ang nadaog sa quintessential?
I was shooting for
Yes!
Miko.
Sundere.
Kasi siya matong first. Siya matong first. Oh wait, the Sundari was
Katong clean, katong light